Chicken is a domesticated bird that is widely consumed around the world for its meat and eggs. Chickens belong to the family Phasianidae, which includes other birds such as pheasant, quails, and turkeys. Chickens are generally raised for their meat, which is a good source of protein and low in fat. Chicken meat can be prepared in many different ways, including roasting, grilling, frying, or baking. Chicken is also commonly used in soups, stews, and curries. In addition to its meat, chicken eggs are also a popular food item. Chicken eggs are rich in protein and other nutrients, and can be prepared in many different ways, including boiled, fried, scrambled, or used in baking.